PhotoFunia is a free online website where you can quickly and easily insert your own digital photos into art galleries, billboards, magazines, and more, and then download them to use in documents, newsletters, slideshows, and even on social media. When you get to PhotoFunia at photofunia.com, you'll see that they have effects, over 600 of them, listed on the left side of the screen, and they've categorized them into different categories. So you'll simply pick a category that you want to use, and then the effect that you want to use, and you will upload the photos or photo that you need, and then you'll be able to watch PhotoFunia technology make that special image happen for you. So I'm going to start out with something from the miscellaneous folder, and I am going to use the traveler's suitcase. You might want to use this on the opening slide for a launch of a new unit on a geographic area that your students are going to be studying, or it could also be used to introduce certain books and short stories. I simply clicked on my choice, and now I'm going to click on choose photo. I could drag it there, or I can browse and upload it from my PC, and I'm going to put a picture of me on that suitcase. Once the photo is uploaded, you are offered a chance to crop the image within the parameters that are needed for the photo on the effect you chose. So you can drag this around and you can slide the handles to make it larger or smaller. And when you're satisfied, click crop. Now you see a little thumbnail there, but here's the text, and this is going to go right here where the tour text is. So I'm going to go to Paris, and now that I have these things filled out, I'll click the Go button, and this is where I will finally see the results with my image and my text. I can now download the image in one of three sizes. On this particular one, large, regular, or small. I usually choose the largest size because it usually has the best quality. And I can see I have a name here, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. I could change that name to something more meaningful, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. And that image is now stored on my computer for me to use, and I'll bring it into my slideshow in just a little bit. But before we do that, I want to show you that on PhotoFunia you don't just have to use portraits. You can use other types of images. So I'm going to go into Billboards, and I'm going to choose this one on the mountain, and I'm going to put like a seasonal juxtaposition on this one. So I'm going to choose a photo with a fall scene on it, here with these fall leaves. And again, once it's uploaded, I can crop it as desired and move this around and kind of capture as much of those trees as I can. And then this one, simply go now. There's no text to enter. And here you see the results. This could be a really fun prompt for EduProtocol's 8 parts or a comparison activity on 2 seasons. And I'm going to go ahead and download this one. And here I have regular or small, so I'll pick regular this time and save it. And you'll want to take some time to look through these effects and try out several. I know you'll find quite a few that you can use to enhance your digital projects and add some fun to lessons. But first, let's go over here to the slides that I put together. This is one I made earlier, my image on this gigantic skyscraper in enormous size portraits there in New York City. Here I am on a vintage television. I'm just thinking of all the writing activities that this could inspire. And now let's bring in those new ones that I made. So here's my suitcase image. And again, certainly could launch my unit, could certainly have students writing about their trip and these different decals, all kinds of things going on. And then here is my billboard with the 2 seasons here. And so I hope that you will have a lot of fun using PhotoFunia. And if you have students who are 13 or older, you can send them here to make their own fun digital images. Your little ones are not authorized to use the site. It's for 13 and older, but you can make things for the little ones if that's the grade level you teach.